In this video, we will solve trigonometry problem set 6. This is the part 2 of this video. That question number 5 of that all the questions, question number 1 to question number 10 of question number 5. That is prove that. Now the first question is sec theta times 1 minus sin theta times sec theta plus tan theta equals to 1. We have to prove it. Now we will write LHS. LHS is equal to sec theta times 1 minus sin theta times sec theta plus tan theta. Now we will solve it. Sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. So 1 by cos theta multiplied by 1 minus sin theta times sec theta plus tan theta. Now so denominator of this total will become cos theta because sec theta is 1 by cos theta. So we can write it as 1 minus sin theta times sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta plus tan theta can be written as sin theta divided by cos theta divided by cos theta. Why here is cos theta? Because we have taken the reciprocal, that is sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. Now we will solve it. Denominator is common over here, so denominator will become common. So it will be 1 minus sin theta multiplied by 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta divided by cos theta. Now next step. 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. Here is nothing but denominator is 1. So numerator into numerator, 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Theta into 1 plus sin theta divided by cos square theta. Why? Because when we solve this, then we will get 1 minus sin theta plus 1 by sin theta multiplied by 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Here is one more cos theta, so take its reciprocal and then multiply. So denominator will become constant as cos square theta over here. Now 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. We will find it. Now we know that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We know this identity, that means we can solve it. It is in the format of a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b. So it will be a squared minus b squared. 1 squared, 1 minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So we can say that cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. We can say this. So we can say that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So next step we can write it as cos square theta divided by cos square theta, that is equals to 1. That is equals to RHS. Hence we had proved that LHS equals to RHS, that sec theta times 1 minus sin theta times sec theta plus tan theta equals to 1. We had proved this first question. Now we will go to our next question. Now this is the next question, that sec theta plus tan theta into 1 minus sin theta into cos theta, and we have to prove this. Now we will write LHS. Now what is LHS? LHS is sec theta plus tan theta times 1 minus sin theta. Now we will solve it. Sec theta plus tan theta. Sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta. 1 by cos theta plus sin theta divided by cos theta, and multiplied by 1 minus sin theta, multiplied by 1 minus sin theta. Now next, since denominator and denominator is common over here, so add the numerator. So we will get 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta multiplied by 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta. Numerator into numerator divided by denominator into denominator. So it will be 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. Now we know that a plus b into a minus b will be equals to a squared minus b squared. So next step we can write it as a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared, 1 squared minus sin square theta. That is 1 minus sin square theta divided by cos theta. Cos theta. Next step, 1 minus sin square theta. What is 1 minus sin square theta? Cos square theta, because sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So we can say that 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. So it will be cos square theta divided by cos theta. Now cos square theta divided by cos theta, we will get cos theta. So it will be equals to cos theta, that is equals to RHS. Hence LHS is equals to RHS. So we can prove that sec theta plus tan theta times 1 minus sin theta is equal to cos theta. Now we will go to our next question. This is our third number question. Now we will try proving this. Now in this question, LHS is sec square theta plus cos square theta. Now we will solve it. Sec square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta plus cos square theta can be written as 1 by sin square theta. 1 by sin square theta. Now cross multiply. So we will get sin square theta plus cos square theta divided by sin square theta cos square theta into cos square theta. Now what is sin square theta plus cos square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1 by sin square theta cos square theta. Now break it into two parts. So we will get 1 by sin square theta times 1 by cos square theta. We had break it into two parts. Why? Because numerator in numerator will get 1. So sin square theta into cos square theta will get denominator. That is the same. Now what is 1 by sin square theta? Cos square theta. Cos square theta. What is 1 by cos square theta? Sec square theta, and here is multiplication sign into sec square theta, that is equals to RHS. Hence LHS equals to RHS. We had proved this question also, that sec square theta plus cos square theta is equal to sec square theta into cos square theta. We had proved this question also. Now we will go to our next question. Now this is our 4th number question. Now we will try proving it. Now LHS is equals to cot square theta minus tan square theta. Now we will solve it. Cot square theta can be written as cos square theta divided by sin square theta. Why? Because cot square theta can be written as 1 by tan square theta. Now what is tan square theta? It is sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Here is 1 as the numerator, so take its reciprocal, so it will be equals to cos square theta divided by sin square theta. That's why we have taken cot square theta as cos square theta divided by sin square theta. So we can write it as cos square theta divided by sin square theta minus tan square theta can be written as sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Now cross multiply, so it will be cos square theta into cos square theta. So it will be cos square theta whole squared minus sin square theta whole squared divided by sin square theta cos square theta. Sin square theta cos square theta. Now we know that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now we will do the same, that is a plus b cos square theta plus sin square theta into cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by sin square theta cos square theta. Sin square theta cos square theta. Now we know that sin square theta plus cos square theta or cos square theta plus sin square theta is equals to 1. So 1 into cos square theta minus sin square theta will be as it is cos square theta minus sin square theta. So cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by sin square theta cos square theta. Now break it into two parts. When we break it into two parts, we will get 1 by sin square theta minus 1 by cos square theta. You may have a question, why? Because cos square theta into 1, cos square theta minus sin square theta into 1, sin square theta divided by denominators. Now we are broken into two parts. Now what is 1 by sin square theta? Cos x square theta. Cos x square theta minus 1 by cos square theta is sec square theta. That is equals to RHS. Hence LHS equals to RHS. We had proved this question also, that cos square theta minus tan square theta is equal to cos x square theta minus sec square theta. Now we will go to our next question. Now this is our 5th number question. Now we will try proving it. Now what is the LHS? LHS is equal to tan raised to the power of 4 theta plus tan square theta. Now we will factorize it. When we factorize it, tan square theta will come outside. So we will do that same thing. Tan square theta will come outside multiplied by tan square theta. So that we will get this first term, that is tan raised to the power of 4 theta plus 1. So tan square theta into 1 will be tan square theta. That's the same. Now tan square theta into what is tan square theta plus 1 or 1 plus tan square theta? It is sec square theta. So tan square theta into sec square theta. Next step. Tan square theta can be written as sin square theta divided by cos square theta. Cos square theta multiplied by sec square theta. Sec square theta can be written as 1 by cos square theta. 1 by cos square theta. Now just multiply it. So we will get sin square theta, multiply the numerators and denominators, cos square theta into cos square theta. Cos square theta whole square. Cos square theta whole square. Now we will break it into two parts. Now sin square theta. What is sin square theta? Sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta, that is equals to sin square theta. Why? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So we can say that sin square theta is 1 minus cos square theta. Now we will break. Sin square theta can be written as 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta whole square. Now 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta whole square. Now 1 minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta whole square. Now we will break it into two parts. When we break it into two parts, we can take denominator as the common, and 1 minus cos square theta we can break it into two parts. So it will be 1 by cos raised to the power of cos raised to the power of 2 theta whole square minus cos square theta divided by cos square theta whole square. Cos square theta whole square. Now 1 by cos square theta whole square, that is equals to 1 by cos raised to the power of 4 theta, or we can replace it as 4 also. That's the same thing. That is the same. Now 1 by cos raised to the power of 4 theta, that is equals to sec raised to the power of 4 theta. Power of 4 theta minus cos square theta divided by cos raised to the power of 4 theta. We will get 1 by cos square theta. What is 1 by cos square theta? It is sec square theta. Sec square theta. That is equals to RHS. Hence we have proved this question also, that tan raised to the power of 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to sec raised to the power of 4 theta minus sec square theta. We have proved this question also. Now we will go to our next question. Now this is our 6th number question. Now we will try proving it. Now to prove this we will write LHS. Now what is LHS? LHS is 1 by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus sin theta. We will write that 1 by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus sin theta. This is our LHS. Now we will solve for it. Now cross multiply, we will get 1 plus sin theta plus 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. Into 1 plus sin theta. Now we can see at a numerator that here is positive sin theta and here is negative sin theta. So we can cancel it out. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. So numerator will be 2 divided by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. We know that a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. So a squared 1 minus sin square theta. Now what is 1 minus sin square theta? It is cos square theta. So 2 by cos square theta. Now break it into two parts. So it will be 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by cos square theta. 2 2 can be written as 1 plus 1 and break it into two parts. 1 by cos square theta plus 1 by cos square theta. We will get the same answer. Now what is 1 by cos square theta? It is sec square theta. 1 by cos square theta is sec square theta. Sec square theta plus sec square theta. We will get 2 sec square theta. That is equals to RHS. This we had also proved that 1 by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 by 1 plus sin theta is equal to 2 times sec square theta. Now we will go to our next question. Now this is our 7 number question and we have to prove it. In this question we have to use the identity of a cube minus b cube. We will write that identity over here. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab times a minus b times a minus b. We will write this identity over here and then we will solve this question. Now what is LHS? LHS is equal to sec raised to the power of 6x minus tan raised to the power of 6x. Now sec raised to the power of 6x minus tan raised to the power of 6x. It can be written as sec squared x whole cube minus tan squared x whole cube. Now it is in the format of a cube minus b cube. I had already told that this question will contains of a cube minus b cube, that is equals to a minus b whole cube plus 3ab times a minus b. Now we will do the same. Now we will apply the same. This is a and this is b and this is cube. Now we will plug this formula in this. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b whole cube sec squared x minus tan squared x whole cube, sec squared x minus tan squared x whole cube plus 3 times a into b, 3 times a. What is a? Sec squared x into b, that is tan squared x. Tan squared x times a minus b, sec squared x minus tan squared x minus tan squared x. Now we will get this whole long expression. Now how to solve this long expression? It will take this much blackboard only. Now there is a trick over here. We have to find the value of sec squared x minus tan squared x. Now what is sec squared x? It is 1 by cos squared x minus tan squared x is equal to sin squared x divided by cos squared x, that is equals to 1 minus sin squared x, which is equals to cos squared x. Denominator will be constant cos squared x, that is equals to 1. Now this become simpler. Now we can plug the value of sec squared x minus tan squared x equals to 1. So 1 cube, what is 1 cube? It is already 1 only. So 1 plus 3 sec squared x times tan squared x multiplied by sec squared x minus tan squared x 1, because we had solved it. Now when the number is multiplied by 1, we will get a number itself. So multiplied by 1, we will get this only. We will get this expression only, that 1 plus 3 times sec squared x into tan squared x, that is equals to RHS. Hence LHS is equals to RHS. We can prove this question also, that sec raised to the power of 6x minus tan raised to the power of 6x is equal to 1 plus 3 sec squared x into tan squared x. Now we will go to our next question. This is our question number 8. Now we will try proving it. Now what is LHS? LHS is tan theta divided by sec theta plus 1. Now if we concentrate on RHS over here, we must have to solve for LHS only, not for RHS. But if we concentrate on RHS, then we can see that the denominator is tan theta. Now how to bring LHS tan theta at a denominator? Multiply sec theta minus 1 so that it will become in the format of a squared minus b squared, that is equals to a plus b times a minus b. So multiply sec theta minus 1 in numerator also, denominator also. So tan theta times sec theta minus 1 divided by sec theta plus 1 times sec theta minus 1. Now tan theta times sec theta minus 1, keep it as it is, times sec theta minus 1 divided by sec theta plus 1 times sec theta minus 1, a plus b into a minus b. It is in the format of a squared minus b squared. So we can write it as a minus b. So it will be sec square theta minus 1. 1 squared is just 1 only. Now next step, numerator as it is, tan theta times sec theta minus 1 divided by sec square theta minus 1. We know that 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. So we can say that tan square theta is equal to 1 minus sec square theta, or sec square theta minus 1. It is sec square theta minus 1, sorry. So tan square theta is equal to sec square theta minus 1. We can write it in the denominator, tan square theta. Now divide this two, tan theta times tan theta, tan theta. So we will get sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta, that is equals to RHS. Hence LHS equals to RHS. We can prove this question also, that tan theta divided by sec theta plus 1 is equal to sec theta minus 1 divided by tan theta. Now we will go to our next question. Now this is our 9th number question. Now we will try proving it. Now in this question, LHS is equal to tan cube theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus 1. Now what will be equal to? Now if you concentrate on numerator, here is 1. 1 is nothing but 1 cube. Now it is in the format of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. We get a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. Now we will put that same format over here. Tan cube theta minus 1 cube. Now it is in the format of a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. Now we will solve it. Tan cube theta minus 1 cube. Now we will plug this formula. A minus b tan theta minus 1 times a squared plus b squared plus ab, or a squared plus ab plus b squared. A squared tan square theta plus b squared, that is or ab, tan theta into 1 plus tan theta plus b squared. What is b? B is 1. 1 squared is 1. Now divided by tan theta minus 1. Tan theta minus 1. Now we can cancel these two terms. Now it is equals to tan square theta plus tan theta plus 1. Now tan square theta plus 1. What is tan square theta plus 1? Sec square theta. So it will be equals to sec square theta plus tan theta, that is equals to RHS. Hence LHS equals to RHS. We can prove this question also, that tan cube theta minus 1 divided by tan theta minus 1 is equal to sec square theta plus tan theta. Now we will go to our last question of question number 5. Prove that. Now this is our last question, that is 10th number question. Now by looking at this question only, we can say that it consists of theorem on equal ratio. We know what is theorem on equal ratio. We can add and subtract numerator and multiply or divide numerator or denominator. Now we will solve it. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. We know that sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. So we can say that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. 1 is nothing but 1 square only. So we can say that sin square theta is equal to 1 squared minus cos square theta. Now sin square theta can be written as sin theta into sin theta into sin theta. That is equals to 1 squared minus cos square theta. It is in the format of a squared minus b squared. So it will be a plus b into a minus b. 1 plus cos theta times 1 minus cos theta. Now bring this on this side and bring this on another side. So we will get two fractions. That is sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta is equal to, bring this down, so we will get 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta Now by using the theorem on equal ratio, in this case we must have to subtract two numerators and subtract two denominators by using theorem on equal ratio. So by using theorem on the theorem on equal ratio, we can say that subtract these two, subtract numerator and numerator divided by subtract denominator and denominator. So we will get sin theta into 1 minus cos theta, sin theta into 1 minus cos theta, sin theta minus, so we can say that sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Now subtract two numerators and subtract two denominators. So sin theta minus 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta minus sin theta. So by using little arrangement, we can say that it is equals to sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. That is equals to LHS, not RHS, because we had done this RHS only. This is the first step of doing this. Another step of proving this same is something like this. We will do it with next method also. This is the first method of proving these two equations. Now we will take another method of doing it. But in this case, in another method, we have to take RHS. Since RHS is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Now we will solve this. 1 by sec theta minus tan theta, that is equals to 1 by sec theta can be written as 1 by cos theta minus sin theta divided by cos theta. So it will be equals to 1 by 1 minus sin theta divided by cos theta. That means it is reciprocal now. Take its reciprocal. So it will be cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta. Consider as to be the equation 1. Now next, multiply numerator and denominator by 1 plus sin theta, so the denominator will get simplified. So next step we can write it as multiply 1 plus sin theta and 1 plus sin theta on numerator and denominator. So it will be equals to cos theta times 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta times 1 plus sin theta. So it will be equals to cos theta times 1 plus sin theta, keep it as it is, plus sin theta divided by a minus b into a plus b equals to a squared minus b squared. A squared 1 squared minus b squared sin square theta. So 1 minus sin square theta, that is equals to cos square theta. Now cos theta into cos theta will give us cos square theta, so we have divided it. Now we get 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Consider as to be the equation 2. Now since this equation and this equations are same only, now by equating both the equations we can say that cos theta divided by 1 minus sin theta is equal to 1 plus sin theta divided by cos theta. Now by using theorem on equal ratio we can say that cos theta minus 1 plus sin theta divided by 1 minus sin theta minus cos theta. Now by using little arrangement we can say that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1, that is equals to LHS. Since RHS is equals to LHS, we can prove this equation also, that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 divided by sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 is equal to 1 by sec theta minus tan theta. Now here question number 5 of proof that get completed. In our next question, that is a part 3 of that video, we will solve remaining questions that is based on the drawing of trigonometric equations.